Today I will show you how can you find out a sales amount from this country and this month. So first you have to do it, that is equal index. Then you have to add it. Add that is I have to select this column, then comma, then find out the match. Then I have to select which one I want to do, country, comma, then I have to select full country list, comma, then 0, exact match. Back to close, then again match. Then I have to look up array, that is this January month, then look up array, look up value after this. I have to select just month, then comma, then 0, then bracket close. Easily I have find out these cells. Thank you so much.